Hello everybody, my name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over how to use the Ridgid compact worksite or job site blower. And this guy, it's really compact, so that's one really nice thing about it. Tucks away small, fits like probably under your seat in your truck, stuff like that. It's really small. It does have a nozzle that you can put on the front to make it more either compact and focused, or to blow things up, like a blow-up bed or something like that. Also, it has a safety that you need to push out of the way here with your thumb before you can pull the trigger. And so that being said, we're going to go ahead and drop a battery. Battery just slides in on the bottom like most of your other 18-volt tools. And then you have to push this out of your way on either side with your thumb, like so. And as you can see, you can throttle the trigger so you can give it less juice or more juice, kind of at will, which is nice because if you want to blow something off and there's like something lighter on the table coming up, you can let off the trigger a little bit. It won't stop, but it'll give you less throttle, so. Kind of like that. We didn't blow the paper off the table, but we were still able to blow most of the dust. Alright guys, so that's this. By the by, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are literally giving this entire Milwaukee M18 kit away to a subscriber here at the end of August. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have any video ideas for future videos, please let us know. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next one. And take care. Thanks so much, guys.